Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Wagyang tira Firma Jeep kontra sa 23 Giga 84-72. Best player of the game si Stanley Pringle sa likod ng kanyang 18 points, 5 rebounds at 2 assists. Tinalo naman ng Rain or Shine Elasto Pinters ang San Miguel Bermen 122-112. Best player of the game si Bo Belga matapos nagtala ng 16 points, 4 rebounds at 5 assists. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of September 19, 2024. Sa Group A, TNT Trupang Giga 7 wins 2 losses. Meralco Bolts 6 wins 3 losses. Converge Fiber Xers 5 wins 4 losses. Magnolia Hotshots 4 wins 4 losses. Northport Batangper 3 wins 5 losses. Tira Firma Jeep 1 win 8 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like at subscribe. Sa Group B naman, Rain or Shine Elasto Pinters 7 wins 2 losses. San Miguel Bermen 6 wins 3 losses. Barangay Ginebra 6 wins 3 losses. NLEX Road Warriors 3 wins 5 losses. Blackwater Bossing 3 wins 5 losses. Phoenix Fuel Masters 1 win 8 losses. Heto naman ang mga laro ngayong September 20, 2024 na gaganapin sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Sa first game, magharap ang Phoenix Fuel Masters at NLEX Road Warriors alas 5 ng hapon. At sa main game, maglalaban ang Northport Batangper at Magnolia Hotshots alas 7:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like at subscribe.